Now, this is an opportunity for you if you are a student, you are a graduate, undergraduate, or you are looking for the fastest way to make money right now. Right now, in this video, I want to show you how you can turn your past questions into cash. Right? You heard me right. These are your jam past questions, your course past questions. You want to trash right now. These past questions can easily make you money right now on the internet. Right now, in this video, I want to show you how you can turn that past question into money. Right, I'll be showing you how you can verify yourself, how you can register and create an account with this very platform, how you can set up your profile, and how you can easily start selling your past questions. This is crazily the easiest way to make money online as a student right now. So I will take you to my screen right now, showing you how you can go over this very website. And before we jump right into that, now if you are seeing me for the first time and you are seeing this very face for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and in this very community I share videos around making money online, related tech videos, business videos, and ideas that can fetch you money on the internet. Right now, if you are finding this content very helpful right now, I will advise you and I will love you right now to smash that like button, right, subscribe to this very channel, and share this video to someone you know right there is a student schooling or is looking for ways to start making money online. Right after watching this video, you start turning that past questions into cash instead of trashing it away. So with that said, let's jump into my screen right now as I share this opportunity with you. So let's go. So I will call this one of the easiest and the simplest side also you can start right now as a student, and you can start making lots of money from it. Now the platform is called Exam Pass Questions. Now if you are a student, you are a stay-at-home mom, you are a worker, or you are already in school, or you want to go out of school, or you are still in school, you can start making money from this website right now. And this website is available on all institutions across Nigeria. As you can see right now, Exam Pass Questions is Nigeria's foremost examination resource platform built with technology to allow anyone search, preview, upload, share, find and download millions of examination related files. Our mission is to build the largest community of students, researchers, tutors through our live solution. This platform has over 77,000 active members right now. All right, over 77,000 active members right now in the community. And these are the payment method this platform support. This platform support MasterCard, Vibe, Visa, Paystack, and FlexMico. All right, now as you can see, 100% secure. All right, 100% secure. You have nothing to worry about. And as you can see, these are new members who just joined today. As you can see right now, these are top sellers on the platform. As you can see, this very person, Akila Ozaya, have sold over 602 items on this very platform, and Abe A has sold over 536 items on this platform, and Oluwande Dare has sold over 283 items on this very platform, and Isaiah right here has sold over 268 items on this platform, also with unlimited possibility, who have sold over 234 items on this platform. Now these are people who are students right now who are making money. Students like you are making money from this platform. Now these are our top referrals right here. All right, Rafa Debbie has referred over 29 members. Now you can make money by selling past questions and course materials on this platform, and you can also make money by referring your classmates and your friends to this platform. So just follow me step by step as I walk you through on how you can start making money from this platform. As you can see right now, these are the new uploads on the platform. Soil microbiology, all right, MCB 202. This is a university course right now. Chemistry 201, biology jam. Now this is a jam past question. This is the top downloads of the platform right now. Internet concept and web, CIT 853. This is a computer science course. Advanced system analysis and design, CIT 851. Also a computer science course. Data communication and network. These are new downloads on the platform right now. And this platform, you can start making money right now by just reselling your past question. It does not matter the university you are or the polytechnic you are, or if you are a jambite, you can start making money by selling those past questions you want to throw out. Now this platform right here has over 2,847 papers and 6,000 plus files and 24,000 downloads and 77,000 users, and they have over 10,000 requests. Now to get started with this platform is, first of all, you have to register an account with them. So to register an account with them, just come to this very account section right here. Then you can just come to login. All right, once you come to login, and it's going to require you to log in an account with them. You want to come to create profile, create my profile, and insert your details. As you can see, the first thing right here is to put your first name, your last name, your Gmail address, your phone number, then your country code, your password, and you click on create account. All right, and once you create account, you're going to be getting 20 download credits. So we are going to go ahead right now and create an account with them. So guys, they just sent me an email verification right now. As you can see, exam pass questions, and as you can see, welcome to exam pass questions.
your profile has been created successfully. This is my username and this is my password. Very important that once you create your account, you have to come to your Gmail address so that you can follow every instructions they are passing to you. All right. As you can see right now, getting started, update your personal profile, prepare and upload your past questions, get your referral link, invite friends with referral link, and connect with new members. All right. These are the hits on exam past questions. So you also make sure you go through all these things right now and also go through everything. As you can see, 10 referrals to 100 credits. So let's go back to our profile. As you can see right now, our profile is created. As you can see, Normal Evans, credit balance is 20, and this is my username right now. As you can see right here, it says start selling your past questions today and get paid. We make payment directly to your local bank, to your bank account via transfer or wire transfer. 100% verified and secured by GoDaddy and powered by Paystack. All right, you can just go ahead and request for payment right now, and you are going to get paid into your bank immediately. Now, as you can see, this is my account. I have 0 downloads. As you can see, I have 0 downloads and I have 20 credits. I have 0 referrals, payment transaction zero naira, withdraw pay at 0 naira. So I can just come here to view my dashboard. As you can see right here, selling various digital products on exam past questions website is now made possible. You will receive payment to your local bank account. You can sell the following products online: past questions, final year project, research materials, ebook, courses, publications, etc. All right, now you can go ahead right here and upload and start selling your new products. So once I click on upload, it's going to direct me to my phone folder of where I'm going to upload the past questions, and I can start selling them. So as you can see right now, it says upload and sell new product. They're going to ask me, is it past questions, is it final year project, or is it ebook or course materials? I can just go ahead and click on past questions, and it's going to take me to the next step. All right, as you can see right there, say, do you have any old or current past questions papers to upload and make money, as thousands of people download them daily? If yes, then upload them here and set your price. Put your exam title, your course code. If you're already in school, you already know what I mean by course code. Then your level, 100 level, 200 level, and all of that. Then the exam hosted, and the exam hosted here. Then the course, the month, the year, the number of pages, if it's 10, 5, then description. Description can only contain the following details: number of questions available, duration of papers, guidelines, and etc. Now you can just come here and upload the file right here. All right, click on upload, and you are going to upload the file right here. And note, make sure you follow every instructions they are passing through in this very website. As you can see, all uploads are subject to our review and approval. Files uploaded to wrong categories will be removed without prior notice. Only educational materials will be approved. Users abusing the site will be blocked permanently. All right, you can just come here and you can set your price. You can leave it at free or you can leave it at sell. All right, once you click sell, they are going to ask you to name your price. So once we click sell right now, they're going to ask us to name our price. We can just go ahead and name our price. And once you have named your price, just click on submit for review, and they are going to review it, and they are going to send you a Gmail verification telling you that your product has been approved on the platform, and you can start selling right now, and you can start making money, because thousands of people come to this very place every single day to download and buy past questions and courses. So believe me guys, this is one of the easiest side hustle and easiest way you can make money online, because right here you are doing no much work. These are past questions you probably are not using again, or you want to throw them away. You can easily upload them on this platform and you can start making money from them. And many of you were asking in my last video, how much is the credit to your Naira, right? Because when you want to withdraw your money, you withdraw it in Naira, but when you are selling in this platform, you sell in credit, right? So I'm going to show you what are credit equivalent to Naira. Now in this very place, you can purchase credit on this platform. So we are going to use this place to gauge how much a credit is worth to a Naira, right? Let's imagine I want to purchase a credit. So I'll go ahead and try and purchase 1,000 credits, and we're going to see how much it worth. As you can see right now, 1,000 credit right here is worth 1,100 Naira, right, in this very platform. So each credit is worth 1 Naira. That means if you have 10 credits, you have 10 Naira. If you have 100 credits, you have 100 Naira. You have 1,000 credits, you have 1,000 Naira. So that is how you can gauge it. It's just a normal Naira equivalent to the credit. So you can start making money right now by selling your past questions. And guys, the last part in this video, this is the more reason you have to watch the video detailedly to the last part, so that you will not miss out in any important information. Now this is how you can upload your past questions. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store, or you can go to your App Store, and you're going to search for Cam Scanner app, right? You can download any one of your choice, the one that is preferable to you. So once you come to cap scanner, there are different cap scanner on this very platform. Now this cap scanner will help you scan your images, which is your screenshot, which is your images or the pictures you are going to be taking from this very past questions. It's going to scan it into PDF and you can easily upload it on exam past questions. If you watch closely right here, so you can see scan paperwork into PDF and JPEG, right? You can easily scan your paperwork into PDF right here and you can upload it into exam past questions and start selling. I believe this was helpful to you. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. And don't forget to like this video, and you can share this video to people, your students, your classmates. You know it will be helpful to them. And let's start making money with this platform.
So, guys, there you have it, how you can turn your past questions into money, right? Now, if you follow this video step by step, you can easily start making money through that past questions right now. Now, my advice for you is that these past questions, you can bulk it up and you can upload more than one past questions. You can upload two past questions, three past questions, as many you have, right? And this website works with games of numbers, right? The numbers of past questions you have with the platform determine how profitable you will be in the platform. This is an opportunity right there. Click on the first link in the description right now or in the pinned comment. Go to this very website, register a free account with them, and start uploading these past questions. You have nothing to lose. You are paying 0 naira to register and you are paying 0 naira to activate, right? You have nothing to lose, but you have everything to gain. And this is an opportunity for you to start making money off a past question. Take advantage of it, and this can easily be a side hustle for you as a student right there looking for fastest way to add to your streams of income. If you have any questions, you have any challenges, or you have any issues concerned going through this very website, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply to your comments and at least offer my help to you. If you're looking for more ways you can start making money off the internet, I have a playlist right here. Click here right now to access more opportunity for you to start making money online. And I'll see you right here. Right. Bye for now.